Hello, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my WebQuest project. It is entitled Exploring California, and I designed it for a 4th grade class. So here is my opening page, the introduction, and it just gives the driving question as well, which is a family is visiting California for the first time. As a trip planner, how can we assure that they experience some of the great historical aspects California has to offer if the family is on a budget of time and money? I also added some follow-up questions for them to get them thinking about what the project has in store for them. If I go to the sidebar here, the next page I have is the task. And then on this task page, it gives a little more detail on the project and what their tasks will be. Overall, their task is to choose 3 destinations in California that they feel exemplifies great aspects of California and its history. And they're going to be doing this in groups of 3. So I have some pictures here of some popular spots in California. Then if we go to the next page is the process. And I have listed the instructions in a step-by-step process to make it clear and easy to understand. Each step has a title of the step as well as a brief explanation of what they are to do. And I have some links you can see to other pages within this site for more information. So I'm going to show you some of those. Like that link was links. You can click either the link or on the sidebar. This page gives some starting points of when they're beginning their research. Just have some links to get them to start thinking and researching. The next one is the roles, and this one explains the roles that they will be completing in addition to their individual responsibility, which is to create a screencast of one of their final locations. So there's the map manager, the brain, the budget brain, and the trip coordinator. And each role is explained on this page. The last little link I have is the handouts page, and you can see that on this page there is one for the map manager and the budget brain to fill out, and then at the bottom there's also a reflection page that each individual will be filling out at the end of their project. If you go to the next full page, which is the evaluation page, it just has the rubric here so they can see what they'll be graded on and how I will be scoring them. The teacher page has a little bit more info on the project in more of a teacher perspective. I explain why and how I created this WebQuest, as well as listing the standards that it will be covering. And I also will have a link to this video here as well, so you can come back to it if you need be. I have decided that this project will take 3 weeks, giving them enough time to research on their own, research as a group, and be able to put it all together at school. The last page is the conclusion, and the conclusion basically just summarizes what the project is again and what they overall did. It also has a reminder to finish their reflection sheet, which is in the handout section. It's also a link here to get there. And at the very bottom, I have some extra links for students that want to further their learning on this and possibly take family vacations because they learn so much about all the fun things that California has to offer. Thank you.